So one way that you can maximize your business at the Allen County Chamber is through programs and events. And I'm Julie Klingler, Director of Programs and Community Development at the Chamber, and I'm going to tell you all about it. So at the Chamber, we have lots of programs and events for members to get involved in. Not only for networking, which is super important, but also for sponsorship, because we offer opportunities for you all to sponsor events, which could get your name on the agenda, which means you'll be in front of hundreds of people, or your name recognition out there in all of our publications and media and other advertising for the event itself. We have a variety of events to get plugged into at a variety of price points. So there is something for everyone. We'll also customize your sponsorship or involvement too, so that it fits whatever budget that you have. We offer annual events such as our annual breakfast, our awards gala, our golf outing in the summer, our Chamber Fest. Those are some of our annual that recur every year. And we also have quarterly events like Women in Business. That happens 4 times a year. And then a monthly breakfast, which is our Wake, Rattle, and Roll, which is really a fun time to come together and great event to sponsor. Those events range anywhere from 100 people or up to 500-600 people. So when you get involved with our events, you are really networking and getting in front of lots of area business leaders in our region. Also have an excellent Lima Young Professionals group that is available to those 40 and under. Great way to get involved. So the Lima Young Professionals, the Lima YP group, is a great way to not only get involved and network with others, but also be a part of the next generation of young leaders in our region who will take things to the next level in the future. Programs and Events has tons of volunteer opportunities if you want to get to know more people through that kind of activity. It's a lot of fun. And we also offer the opportunity for you to sit on event and program committees so that you can plan programming and help us create and mold those programs as those evolve into the future as well. If you're looking to customize your experience with the Chamber and get more deeply involved and want to take full advantage of the networking and sponsorship opportunities, call me at the Chamber, Julie Klingler, and I'll sit down with you and take a look at what we've got for the upcoming year and how we can make our programs and events work for your business. When you're ready, just give us a call at 419-222-6045 or visit us at limachamber.com. The Chamber is all about maximizing your business the way you want it maximized, and we can help you get there.